All right, Josh, what are we making today?
Making a 3-course meal for Valentine's Day.
So the first thing we're going to do is prep all of the ingredients right now for all of the recipes. So that means chopping an onion, getting some garlic ready. It also means grating all of the cheeses, slicing our tomatoes, and also slicing the spinach. Once everything's prepped, it's nice to put everything in their own separate bowls and separate it for all of the recipes just to make it as easy as possible. Then we're going to start sauteing the spinach, and this recipe is basically just throw everything into a bowl and then put it in the oven. So we've got our cream cheese, our sour cream, our garlic, our cheeses, and spread. And then we're just going to top it off with some extra marble cheese.
Spin dip's done.
Great appetizer for your date night. We just have some pita chips here, but you can always use tortillas or
Corn chips, really anything.
Go.
Cheers.
Yeah, eat
I love
Abby.
spin dip.
Oh my god, that is perfect.
Yeah, really good. I guess we'll go on to the shrimp spinach Alfredo.
All right, so we're gonna start off with putting some butter in a pan, some onions, and then all of the spices that we're gonna use. Then we're gonna use our grated Parmesan cheese. We used fresh for this because it's always better. Then we're gonna add some of our reserved pasta water and add in the frozen shrimp right into it. Then it's just all about combining it until it gets this milky consistency that's more like an Alfredo. Then you can just add any vegetables that you want to it and some extra chili flakes. All right, we got some shrimp fettuccine Alfredo.
In there. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very good. Very garlicky. You're probably not kissing on the date tonight.
I think this might top the spin dip.
All right, let's move on to the next one. Last but not least, you can't forget dessert. And today we are doing chocolate covered strawberries. So we are just melting chocolate over a pot of boiling water. And if your chocolate starts to get a little bit too thick, you can add some coconut oil to thin it out.
Now we finish with dessert.
Final piece of the date night.
Chocolate covered strawberries. Chocolate covered strawberry.
Can't
Classic.
go wrong. All right, well, if you liked those recipes, then make sure you check them out. We'll have them linked down below. And if you like this video, then make sure you
Like, comment, and subscribe.